students at Cairn. Again, we are using LibGuides here from the library page, and again, we just go to the library page and click on LibGuides and then choose Business Guide. I'm sure you know how to get to them at this point. So we click on Books. If you wanted to get the books from the library itself, the books would be under those call numbers. So that's how they are cataloged in the shelves, in the actual shelves in the library. And then also, as far as the subject headings, they would be under commerce, their advertising, business, management, organization, planning, and all these types of categories here. So if you clicked on business there, notice that it will search the library catalog and, or let's say management, and give you all the books that are located. Notice just on that topic, they have 439 options just on management, just books on project management, catalog directly from here by title, author, subject, and so on. But then there are also online books, so you don't have just the books that are available in the library. So for example, if we wanted books on management, and I'm searching by keyword, notice we have before they have somehow the word management in there. But there are also books that are available online, and this is where Ebrary comes into play. There are about 70,000 electronic books that are available to you as business students or as Cairn students, that you can view those from your computer, from your iPad, from whatever types of devices that you're using. So if you go under Ebrary here, and you can get to this also by going to the library online databases and all that type of stuff from there too, but we're going to use the LibGuides for this source. Notice there are also apps that you can download these books to, like for iPad and also for Android devices. So here you can either search those books, or you can go to different categories here, business and economics. And then you can narrow search for keywords here, or let's say even title for now. Which, by the way, if you have noticed, outsourcing, it's coming back to the United States. It's not really working as well as it was expected. So we'll click on search here. The title, outsourcing in it. Jobs overseas. So you can simply either check the table of contents from here. You could download it. Options. There is this reader. Basically, you are able to read this book online here. So in some cases, you'll need to install this software, the Ebrary reader. It's a Java applet. So you need to allow it, basically. And without having to pay anything, it's part of your tuition, it's part of the library resources available to you as students at Cairn. By using the reader from the front page of this. So this is one of the ways to access the Ebrary books. Keep it in mind, it's 70,000 books on any topics. You want to learn something about finance, you want to learn something about computers, technology, or whatever. It's the latest books available online. Other books that are available online for you, it's the EBSCOhost ebook collection. This is another online database of books. And in here, let's sample outsourcing. A book, or you can download it to read the book offline. Notice in this case it gave us 72 books. Line. Again, here, just like with other databases, and this is one of the concepts, you can print certain parts of it, you can email parts of it, you can cite it, and the citation, again, it's very important. So if you wanted to use the, let's say, the MLA format, this is how you'd cite it. Works cited. Online finance. This is ebooks on every aspect of economics by classic thinkers and modern masters and so on. So in here, just click on it. There are 506 books in this case here on economics and finance. You can either browse through them or just do a search. For a moment. When you do the search here, just choose the Oxford Scholarship Online. If you choose all partner presses, you may not get just the books that are available to you. It might be books that are not necessarily available to us. Or as we practiced what this article or this book is about, on it. Because again, remember, there is so much information, we don't want to be stuck with it. It's just like a fire hose filling up a teacup. So much information coming to us. Here's the abstract. And here are the contents of the book. So it's a slightly different format, of course. And finally, another source for books, for electronic books, it's under Psych Books. And here is another concept, by the way. This is utilizing visual search. Some of those databases, they have the basic search component. There's the advanced search and the visual search. Visual search is more, of course, the results are going to be displayed in a more visual format to us. And notice you have some of the explanations how it works here too. But let's do a search. We're going to choose anything with full text. And then our topic is outsourcing. For the word computer, then you have the major categories, and then down here you have the actual results for that category. So let's say we wanted computer assisted testing, and then you have the subcategories to it, and then you have 36 articles on it. But let's say you wanted to know only about adaptive testing, and then under that then you have 26 articles, and then you go under test forms or applications or whatever there. So you're kind of narrowing down the results as you are going here. So if finally what happens is that you click on the last thing here, which is your actual article that you want, and then you can add those to a folder. So this is the concept of your visual search. So you add them to a folder. You keep on adding the next article, and so on. Those that have more boxes here, that means that it's more relevant to what you are searching. All the way to the bottom, some of the articles you'll be able to click actually right here, but you'll click on more here, and then notice you have the full PDF article for this. And then notice you can cite it, email it, and all that type of stuff. So here is a whole chapter on this specific topic. So that was basically the concept of visual search here, and some of the books that are available for you. Keep in mind you have books in the library. You just can search the library catalog and search by subject headings, and then also you have thousands and thousands of books online through these large databases.